Next, question number 7. What is the mass of precipitate formed when 50 ml of 16.9% solution of AgNO3 is mixed with 50 ml of 5.8% NaCl solution? What is given here? 50 ml of 16.9% AgNO3 given, as well 5.8% NaCl solution, that is also 50 ml. Now write the balancing equation. See, AgNO3 plus NaCl is gives rise to AgCl plus NaNO3. This is the equation. See the question also. The given values are 16.9% and 5.8%. Both are 50 ml, 50 ml. Now you see the molar mass of AgNO3 170, molar mass of NaCl 58.5, AgCl is 143.5. These molar mass from these atomic masses we can calculate easily. Now, what is the 16.9% means? Note, 16.9% mean 16.9 gram present in 100 ml of solution. 16.9 gram of solute present in 100 ml of solution. But now given only 50 ml, that means 8.45 gram of AgNO3 is present. At the same time 2.9 gram of NaCl is present. Now just you convert into number of moles, because we know that this is 1 mole equal to this 1 mole reacting with NaCl 1 mole and forming 1 mole of AgCl. Now first you convert into number of moles, then only we know that which is the limiting reagent, what is the product. Then mole formula, we know that mole formula, mole equal to mass by molar mass. So mass 8.45 upon molar mass 170, 2.9 upon 58.5. Then if you do the calculation, you will get 0.49 and 0.49. Once we are getting these moles, here 1 mole reacting with 1 mole, here also same number of moles are there, then forming 1 mole. So here also forming same number of moles, that is 0.059. So now it is asking that how much AgCl is forming. See, mole equal to mass by molar mass. If you want the mass, just mole into molar mass. Now here we need the mass, so number of moles into molar mass of 143.5. Then we are getting around 7.02 grams. So the option is 28, 3.5, 7, 14. So 7 grams. C is the option. Now C is the option. Here this calculation, some students may get the trouble to do this calculation. 8.45 by 170, 2.9 by 58.5. See, answer already we got it, that is C, that means 7 approximately. Now the question is how to solve this 8.45 upon 170. Now you can take this 8.45 upon 1.70 into 10 power 2, I can write it. After that, see, this is 8.4, this is 1.7. I can write here 84.5 upon 17.0 into 10 power minus 2. This 10 is going up, so 10 power minus 2. Now 17 ones are 17 5s are approximately 85. So approximately it is 5. Now if you come here, the second value 2.9 upon 58.5. In this case, see 29 and 58, 2s are. So then what you will do, then you can write here the next step, 29 into 10 power minus 1, I can write it here, down 58.5. See 29 1s are, 29 2s are. So that equal 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 1. This one is 0.5 into 10 power minus 1, that equal to 0.05. We got it 0.05. Here 5 into 10 power minus 2. Here also we are getting 0.05. So number of moles. See, we did the approximate 0.05, we got it. Here the question previously we got it 0.049. There is no much difference. After getting the number of moles, just multiply this 0.5 into 0.05 into 143.5. 143.5. What is this 143.5? That is AGCL. So approximately you will get 7. So again 7 related, that nearest answer is there, so easily we can guess that answer. Today in this same class I want to explain you the limiting molar constant. What is the limiting reagent? See, limiting reagent, A is there and B. A is 5, B is 10. So AB, how many AB will form? So here, according to this equation, if A is 1 is there, B also 1 required. A is 5 is there means B required only 5, but B 10 is there. So that means this B is excess. B is excess. So what is the limiting? A is the limiting reagent. What is the meaning of limiting reagent? Limiting reagent means the product is depends on that substance. So AB is mass is depends on the A. So how many AB will form? Only 5. Because 1A is there, 1A react with 1B and forming 1AB. So here 5A are there. So 5A's react with 5B's, then forming 5AB. Like that. In the second question, first case, 2A plus B gives us to A to B. Then 2A, how many are there? Sorry, A, how many are there? 10. B, how many are there? 20. Now, how many A to B will be formed? See, according to this equation, if A 2 are there, B required only 1. Here 10 are there, B required only 5. That means B is excess. B excess means 10 is limited. Sorry, A is limited. A limited. So product is depends on the A. So A 2 moles are there. A to B is forming only 1 mole. That means half. So here 10 moles are there means answer is here 5. A 10 moles. So here product is only 5 moles. Next, in case of B, 20 and 5. See, here A 2 moles is there, so B required only 1 mole. Here 20 is there means B required 10. So 10 is not there, only 5 is there, so that is limiting. So the product is depends on the B now. So 1B is there, A to B also forming only 1. So here 5 are there, so now this one also 5. All are getting 5. Take it. Third question. 3a plus 2b is gives us to a3b2. So both are 30 are there. How many a3b2 will be formed? See, here 30 is there means b required only 20. So 30 are there. So this is excess. So it is excess means limiting reagent is A. Limiting reagent पे depend होता है LR. So how many products are forming? Obviously, if 3 moles of A is there, only 1 mole of A3B2 is forming. 30 moles of A is there means here only 10 moles of A is forming. 10 moles of A is forming. Next, last. A2 plus B2 is gives us to 2AB. 1 mole of A2 react with 1 mole of B2 and forming 2 moles of AB. Here I am taking 10 moles of A2, 10 moles of B2. Then how many moles of AB is forming? Obviously 20 moles. 1 plus 1 forming 2. So 10 plus 10, 20. Here A is 50 mole is there, B is only 10 mole is there. How many moles are forming? See, A 50 mole है तो B also required 50 moles, but B only 10. So limiting reagent. The product is depends on the limiting reagent. So B is 1 mole is there means AB is forming double. Here 10 mole is there means obviously double, that is 20 mole is forming. So these are the limiting reagent. Now regarding this limiting reagent, some questions. You can do this question number 1 and question number 2. This is the homework. 22.4 liters of hydrogen is mixed with 11.2 liters of chlorine. Then how much HCl is forming? Then second question is 1 gram of magnesium is bonded with 0.56 gram of oxygen in a closed vessel. Which reactant is left in excess and how much? This is the homework. Based on the limiting reagent, you can solve it. Thank you. This chapter is over 2014 to 16. Next we can solve the structure of atom.